sabotage mode, throwing spikes down on the road. But I've seen this episode and still love the show. Who